Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2018 Infiniti Q50 LUXE all-wheel drive that we have for sale. This is a vehicle we once leased brand new at our store. It was recently turned in off lease, and when someone turns in their lease with us, we have first dibs on buying it before it goes to auction, and it's a free-for-all. And of course, this beautiful Q50 all-wheel drive, how could we not pass up buying this for our pre-owned inventory? Local one-owner clean Carfax. It has 37,776 miles at the time of making this video. Really nice color combination in black on black. And this is kind of like the Goldilocks of the Q50s. It's not fully loaded. It's not a strippy. It's very nicely equipped. And this is probably one of the most popular selling option packages. This is a 3.0 LUXE all-wheel drive. Original MSRP is $46,295. And it has the Essential package. And the Essential package, as in the name, it is essential for a lot of people. It has a lot of the features that people look for a luxury car. That was a $2650 package for the Essential package, giving you navigation with voice recognition, Infiniti InTouch services, which is a subscription-based service, I believe. Sirius XM traffic, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, a 60/40 fold-down rear seat, driver's seat, power lumbar, and remote engine start. Then it has the all-weather package, which gives you all-season floor mats, $225, and a trunk protector. Splash guards, $215. Infiniti interior accent lighting, $335. Infiniti radiant welcome lighting, $425. That radiant welcome lighting is pretty cool. It lights up the whole underneath of the vehicle, and it creates a cool ambient effect when you approach the vehicle at nighttime, especially when it's your garage. It the underneath glows, and it kind of creates this ambient light in your garage. It is really cool. And this beautiful shade of midnight black was a premium color, $500 for that. And of course, we can print you out a copy or email you one if you want to peruse this yourself. The Essential also comes with this nice wood trim. We have a drive mode selector that will make changes to steering, transmission shift points, engine, traction stability control settings. You'll notice we have a dual display system. When the Infiniti Q50 first came out in 2014, it was actually the first vehicle to have a dual display system of this kind. The top screen is for navigation, parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can also access the drive mode selector here. You can drill down a little bit deeper and personalize it versus using it here. You can make changes to steering. Active traction control brakes individual wheels to help the vehicle rotate a little bit better through the corners. You can shut that system on or off. 2018 is a great year for the Q50 because it got its first major revision. The interior and exterior were restyled. New design on the interior, slightly new design on the gear shifter, new steering wheel. It's the same steering wheel we have in the Q60 Coupe. A little bit nicer, stitching on the dashboard. Just kind of gives it a nicer feel, and then the outside was restyled as well. Automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener, moonroof. We have a steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. It's leather wrapped, Bluetooth hands-free phone system, Bluetooth audio streaming. The Q50 is a compact sport luxury sedan. It's made in Japan, so if you do value your Japanese vehicles to be actually made in Japan, the Q50 is a real deal. Not all Japanese brands are made in Japan these days, but the Q50 is. It's also a very sporty. It's built on the advanced front midship platform, also shared with a 370Z, 350Z. The reason why they call it the advanced front midship platform is they take the engine and they place it as far back behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle. For as close to perfect 50-50 weight distribution as possible. It improves the handling and feel in the corners. It's a rear-wheel drive based platform. Really is a very fun car to drive, and it's very powerful with 300 horsepower. It's very quick. Rear-wheel drive is standard, intelligent all-wheel drive is optional. This features intelligent all-wheel drive. There's the original trunk magnet, never used, cargo area protector, all season mats, carpeted floor mats. And you can look here, underbody diffuser. This shows you how serious Infiniti is about performance. This is functional. Infiniti goes to great lengths to improve the high-speed stability of its sportier vehicles, and that underbody diffuser helps improve downforce. They also have a zero lift front end design, You know, this has a governor limited top speed of about 150 miles per hour. Most people aren't going to drive that fast, but a vehicle needs to be designed to be safe at the speeds it's limited to. And it actually could probably go a lot faster without that governor. It probably could go 160 or maybe even 170, but the reason why they put governors on cars is generally, you know, the car might be able to go that fast, but the engine, not the engine, but the tires, the wheels might not be rated for that speed. The brakes and the suspension might not also be designed to deal with higher speeds than what it's limited at. But 150 miles per hour is pretty fast. It's a very quick vehicle, 0 to 60 and I think a little over 4 seconds. No, that's the red sport, I'm sorry. 0 to 60, I think a little under 5 seconds if I remember correctly. And with all-wheel drive, this thing just grips and goes. We have a VR30 twin turbo V6 pumping out 300 horsepower, as twin turbos, 2 small turbos for each bank of the cylinders. The small turbos versus a large turbo react quicker and improve the responsiveness of the engine. The all-wheel drive system is racing inspired. We first saw it in the early version of the Nissan Skyline GTR. They've been using this all-wheel drive system in a lot of Infiniti products for many years. It's been a very reliable system. It uses an electromagnetic differential to activate the all-wheel drive system, so all I need to do is send electrical current and to that differential, and that activates the all-wheel drive. So it's able to send power to the front wheels in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly. So it gives you rear-wheel drive performance to give you the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. When it's dry, it also helps improve gas mileage and battles premature tire wear, but as soon as those rear wheels slip, very quickly, matter of milliseconds, 50% of the power to the front wheels. It's the Tesla all-wheel drive system, which stands for Advanced Total Traction Engineering System for All Terrain. If you're looking for a nice, well-built Japanese sport luxury sedan with all-wheel drive traction, great performance, beautiful styling, check out this 18 Q50.